Machining optimization is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of advanced software and tools to improve the efficiency and accuracy of machining processes. The goal of machining optimization is to reduce production time, minimize waste, and increase the quality of finished products. This service is particularly important in industries that rely heavily on machining, such as aerospace, automotive, and medical device manufacturing. Machining optimization involves a range of techniques, including computer-aided design, CAD, computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, and simulation software. These tools allow engineers and technicians to create detailed models of parts and components, simulate machining processes, and identify potential issues before they occur. By optimizing machining processes, manufacturers can reduce the risk of errors and defects, improve product quality, and increase production efficiency. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components for a range of industries, including aerospace, defense, and medical devices. As a leading provider of machining services, Berkness Company understands the importance of machining optimization in achieving high-quality, cost-effective production. By leveraging advanced software and tools, Berkness Company is able to optimize machining processes to reduce production time, minimize waste, and improve product quality. If you are interested in learning more about machining optimization and how it can benefit your manufacturing operations, Berkness Company is here to help. Our team of experienced engineers and technicians can work with you to identify areas for improvement in your machining processes and develop customized solutions to meet your specific needs. To learn more about our machining optimization services, please visit the Contact Us page on our website and fill out the form to get in touch with our team. We look forward to hearing from you. FAQs. 1. What is machining optimization and why is it important in manufacturing? Machining optimization refers to the process of improving the efficiency and effectiveness of machining operations in manufacturing. This involves analyzing various factors such as cutting speed, feed rate, tool selection, and material properties to identify the optimal settings for achieving the desired results. Machining optimization is important because it can help reduce production costs, improve product quality, and increase throughput. 2. What are some common techniques used for machining optimization? There are several techniques used for machining optimization, including computer-aided design, CAD, computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, finite element analysis, feed, and simulation software. These tools can help engineers and machinists simulate and test different machining scenarios to identify the most efficient and effective approach. Other techniques include tool wear monitoring, process monitoring, and statistical process control, SPC. 3. How can machining optimization be implemented in a manufacturing process? Machining optimization can be implemented in a manufacturing process by first analyzing the current machining operations and identifying areas for improvement. This may involve collecting data on cutting parameters, tool wear, and material properties. Once the data is collected, engineers and machinists can use simulation software and other tools to test different scenarios and identify the optimal settings. The new settings can then be implemented in the manufacturing process and monitored for effectiveness. Continuous improvement and refinement of the optimization process can help ensure ongoing improvements in efficiency and effectiveness. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.